Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of starting your own bracelet business. Whether you're a creative enthusiast or an entrepreneur looking to tap into the growing market for handmade accessories, this comprehensive guide will provide you with all the essential steps to get started on the right foot. So let's jump right in. The first step in starting your bracelet business is thorough research and planning. This is crucial to ensure you have a solid foundation for success. Let's explore this step further. Who are your potential customers? What age groups, styles, and preferences are you targeting? Conduct market research to gain insights into your target audience and their demands. What makes your bracelet stand out from the competition? Identify your USP, whether it's personalized designs, eco-friendly materials, or a specific theme to differentiate your business in the market. A well-structured business plan is essential to outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It will serve as a roadmap for your bracelet business, helping you make informed decisions as you progress. Now that you have a clear plan, let's move on to procuring materials and creating your unique bracelets. Identify reliable suppliers for beads, charms, chains, clasps, strings, and other materials you need. Ensure that the materials are of excellent quality to deliver durable and attractive bracelets. Let your creativity shine. Experiment with colors, textures, and patterns to craft bracelets that align with your target audience's preferences. Consider incorporating customization options to add a personal touch. In this digital era, having a strong online presence is crucial. Let's explore how to establish your brand online. Set up a website or an e-commerce store to showcase your bracelet collection. Make it visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines to improve online visibility. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to share captivating visuals, engage with your audience, and build brand awareness. Consistency and authenticity are key to growing your online presence. It's time to delve into pricing, marketing, and driving sales for your bracelet business. Research the market and analyze competitors' pricing to set competitive yet profitable prices. Consider factors like material cost, labor, and market demand. Develop a marketing plan to promote your bracelets effectively. Utilize social media marketing, influencer collaborations, content creation, and email campaigns to reach your target audience. Focus on delivering outstanding customer service to build a loyal customer base. Respond promptly to inquiries. Offer secure payment options, and ensure timely order fulfillment. As your bracelet business gains momentum, it's important to plan for growth and scalability. Regularly review sales data, website analytics, and customer feedback to identify areas of improvement. This data will help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your business operations. Consider expanding your product range by introducing new bracelet designs, accessories, or related products. This can attract a wider customer base and drive additional sales. Starting your own bracelet business requires careful planning, creativity, and determination. By conducting thorough research, crafting unique bracelets, establishing an online presence, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful and profitable bracelet business. Remember, with passion and perseverance, you can turn your bracelet making hobby into a thriving venture. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.